Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a headbanger. We're going to start by mixing this cocktail in our 16-ounce mixing glass. So you want to start with ice, and we're going to build from there. We're going to go equal parts licorice liqueur, so we're going to use an anisette, and 151 rum. You feel free to use any 151 rum that you like. Just remember it is going to be really strong, so you want to shake really well to water it down a little bit. So equal parts, we're going to go for 1 1/4 ounces or 5 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Finally, we're going to top it off with a splash of grenadine, which is a cherry pomegranate flavored syrup. If you're not familiar, you can find this behind any bar, any restaurant. All of these places have it. You're going to get your glassware ready, which is going to be a cocktail glass for this drink. And then you're going to mix and shake all your ingredients between your mixing glass and your mixing tin. From there, simply take your Hawthorne strainer and strain the ingredients directly into your cocktail glass. Now, with the licorice flavor and the strong rum flavor, it's going to be a little bit difficult to place a garnish on this, specifically on what's going to taste right. But personally, I recommend a lemon because it's going to counteract the flavor a little bit. And there is your headbanger. Enjoy.